Dhaka, Higher Maths Paper, 2017, question number 5. In question number 5, we're told the height of a right circular cone is 8 centimeters, and the radius of its base is 6 centimeters. It is melted down and formed into a number of solid spheres with diameter 4 centimeters. In part A, we have to find the area of the curved surface of each sphere. Now to do this, we use the formula the surface area of a sphere equals 4 pi r squared. Now in this case, the radius is 2 because the diameter is 4. So the area is 4 times pi times 2 squared, which is 16 pi. And if we take pi as 3.14, we get the area is 16 times 3.14, so the area is 50.24 centimeters squared. Now in part B, we have to find the whole surface area of the right circular cone. Now a cone has two surfaces. It's got a curved surface and a flat base. The area of the curved surface is pi rl, and the area of the base is pi r squared. So we can write down the surface area of a cone is pi r into r plus l, where l is the slant height, the height going up the side. Now we can use Pythagoras' theorem to work out l, because l squared equals r squared plus h squared. So in this case we have r is 6 and h is 8, so l is the square root of 6 squared plus 8 squared, which is the square root of 36 plus 64, or the square root of 100, so l is 10. That means the total surface area of the cone is equal to pi times r, which is 6, times r plus l, which is 6 plus 10, or 16. So it's pi times 6 times 16, which is 96 pi. And if we take pi as 3.14, the total surface area works out to be 301.44 square centimeters. Now in part C, we have to find out how many solid spheres can be formed. To do that, we're going to have to work out the volume of each sphere and the volume of the cone. Now the volume of a cone is given by the formula 1/3 pi r squared h. In this case, r is 6 and h is 8, so the volume of the cone is 1/3 times pi times 6 squared times 8, which is 96 pi. The volume of each sphere is given by the formula 4/3 pi r cubed, where r is 2. So it's 4/3 times pi times 2 cubed, which is 32/3 pi. Now the number of spheres that we can make is equal to the volume of the cone divided by the volume of each sphere. So the number of spheres equals 96 pi divided by 32/3 pi. So that's equal to 96 pi over 1 times 3/32 pi. The pi's cancel, and we end up with 288/32, which divides out to make 9. So the number of spheres that we can make is 9.